Alright everybody, this is Dale Taiwan. Any of you guys that follow Answer Fans content, you might know this area, Hiccup City, Kidsville at Canada's Wonderland. There's the helicopter. There's the place. It used to be called the Candy Factory, but now it's called Maple Park Treehouse. I'm showing the Answer Fans fan because there was a music video that was filmed here called Hiccup City. There's Maple Park Treehouse, and that's where How Low Can You Go and Hiccup City was filmed. Oh, dang it. It's up to you. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Peace, guys.